Hi everyone, I am JP Singh, a Microsoft certified trainer. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss about a VLOOKUP. This video is very helpful for all these persons who are actually starting VLOOKUP or want to understand VLOOKUP in very clearly manner. So basically VLOOKUP is searching something vertically onto the data set. For example, in this scenario, we have an employee code there. So let's suppose if you want to change any employee code from here, and you want some information to be displayed here according to the employee code we selected. So let's suppose if I am writing a function here, VLOOKUP has an 4 parameter. I am writing VLOOKUP. So first parameter is what value you want to search. So the value I want to search is E005. So this is the value which is on the K1. Then I press comma. I am coming to the second parameter. It is talking about the table array. Table array means the entire data where you want to search the value. Now when I am saying search the value, it will search only in the first column, not into the other columns. So please look at here. I selected that. Column index number. So column index number represent basically which column you want to extract. So your data is starting from A, then A is actually 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4. It will not understand A, B, C, D. It will understand the index number depending upon where you are starting the value. If you are starting the value from B, then B will become 1. Very simple. So now name is onto the B and your data is started from A. So B will become the second column, 2. Then you are basically have to choose from these two options. Approximate match, which is actually the approximate. Exact match is exactly same match. It means I am searching for E005. So please give me the output for E005. So even you can choose a false or you can write 0 instead of that. Both will work. So this is a simple function I am writing here. So I am getting a name accordingly. So the name of employee code 5 is Seema. If I choose from here and if I say I want to know E009, so the E009 is a Pankaj, you can see clearly here. So similarly, you can fill with the all data very easily. VLOOKUP, clicking on to that data. I'm doing very basic, that's why I'm not taking, no, I'm taking to the A1. I can manually type that A1 and then you can go for G101, 3 and then 0. Similarly for the other, you can change the sequence and you will get the data out of that. So I am more elaborating on that things. Please look at the data here. And I am going to explain here. Let's suppose this is your data. So I am taking a randomly some data set. So this is your data, guys. So the data will be searched actually into the first column only, not to the other columns. So this is your search area. This blue area is your search area. Let's suppose if you are searching from E009 and E009 is not in the list, then the answer will be automatically coming from the VLOOKUP is hash NA. This is a hash NA. In case if you have a find the value, then the searching will stop here. I repeat, the searching will stop here. Then you have to move to the right. So this is a by default setup of a VLOOKUP. So this is the first column. So obviously this is the second column, third, fourth, 5, 6 and the seventh. So if you write 2 into the third parameter, you will get the value of this particular column, 3 for this and similarly for all. In case you write more than 7, which is not is your data set because you have choose in the second parameter the data set with the 7 columns. If you write 8 or more than that, then you will get a small error, which is an interesting one, ref error. So this is not to be worry about, because whenever ref error comes, you just come here and see there is some problem in the third parameter. You can resolve that problem here. There are two more error will there. This is one is in hash value, which basically tell us there is a wrong comparison. If you are comparing number with text or text with number, like that, there is a wrong data type comparison, then hash value will come. One more time error, more type of error is the hash name. This name error will particularly come when you are typing wrong or using a wrong name range. Name range I already discussed in the previous video. You can go there and watch what exactly name range and table is. You can check from there. So these are few errors which is coming from VLOOKUP, and these are the techniques. Now, VLOOKUP does not work with a duplicate data. So if you are writing a VLOOKUP and there are duplicate values into that particular column, it will never come to the second occurrence. It will always stop to the first occurrence and never come here to the second occurrence. So I hope you understand the concept of VLOOKUP, which is very, very easier. You can apply that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching, keep learning.